Right, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a Hurd padlock made in America. Quite a chunky, it's a 45mm solid brass for the size of it, quite weighty. All actually works quite nicely, got a good bit of spring tension on it, very good spring tension on the shackle. So I don't think it's actually been used much, or even how old it is. But key weight can't really be called paracentric at all. But the bitting on the keys not too bad, 5 pins. There we go. So had it sat around for a while, I haven't got round to picking it, so I thought time to give it a try. So let's get it in the vise. There we go. Some light on it, make sure it's focused. Let's give it a try. Let's start with heavy tension on here, or heavy-ish, not knowing what's in there, and see what happens. So that was one was binding, we got a little click out of that. 2 click out of there, not really positive clicks, they're a bit sort of mushy and no feedback from the core. 3 click out of there. 4 click out of that, and 5. Well, there we go, all open. So not particularly taxing pick, but quite a nice little padlock. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.